Hi, my name is Sofonias, and today we will be building a PC, and I will step to step, I'll show you how to build it. So, first of all of this stuff was ordered off Amazon. This is the case. Inside of here is fans. This is the RAM. This is the CPU. Inside of here, there's other stuff. You need thermal paste. This is optional. You can have a Wi-Fi / Bluetooth card. This is a hard drive. And then here is the motherboard. And last but not least, this is the power supply unit. So, first of all, so our CPU is the AMD Ryzen 5 with Radeon Vega graphics 11. And then this is the MSI B350 Gaming Plus motherboard. Next, the RAM, let's open the RAM. Okay, so now we're RAM. This RAM is the Ballistic Sports 8 gigabytes RAM. This is 2 sticks of 4 gigabytes, and it's running at 2,666 MTs per second. Next, we have this is the hard drive. We have a WD Blue 1 terabyte hard drive with 64 megabytes of cache. This is the fan. We got the Corsair Quiet Edition AF120 LED red fans. This is the guide. This is the Asus. This is the Wi-Fi card, Bluetooth. And then here's our case, the Corsair Carbide Series Spec 04. And here is Arctic MX-4 thermal paste. And last but not least, this is our Corsair CX 500 watts PSU. So let me untangle this. Introduce the essentials. So we have the Red Dragon keyboard, mousepad, headset, 4-in-1 set. So let's put this off to the side. And first we're going to start with installing the power unit. So first, let's put this on its side. There's going to be thumb screws right here that you need to take off, but we've already took them off, so let's just slide this off. Put it here. Now take the power unit, and depending on your case, your power unit might be here, and your power unit might be here. So our power unit is right here, so we have to install it in here. So how we're going to install it, there's going to be something right here. There's going to be a dust that keeps the dust out. So we're going to put the fan towards the dust filter, and then we're just going to push into there. And now somehow we're going to have to secure it. Yeah, there's screws that we're gonna use to secure it, and so we're just gonna, there's gonna be latches sort of things on the sides, so all we do is just get them in that and then slide it in. Now there's gonna be a kit of like screws that come with your case usually. So there's going to be zip ties for cable management, and then there's going to be screws for your other stuff. So we have installed the power supply, and with the power supply there will be 4 screws usually that come with it, so we need to tighten them. This one isn't tightened enough. There. Now just finish these off. There. Now they're screwed up. Okay, so we need to tighten this as much as we can. I recommend a zigzag formation, an X, like that, so goes evenly on every side. There. We need to install the fans. Now, we have these fans. These are 120 millimeters, and so it varies. Right here, inside of here, it will be 140 millimeters radiator kind of. Right here, we can install a fan, and right here. So we're installing it right here and right here. So let's open this. We're gonna install our motherboard. So it opens over here. Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of things that comes with it. There's gonna be drivers and utilities. There's gonna be drivers and utilities. There's gonna be thank you letter. Here's the motherboard itself. Put this off to the side. Here's the motherboard itself, and then inside of here, there's more things. Here is installation guide, modules, I/O shield. This is the shield that tells us where we're connecting into, and then SATA cables for connecting hard drives and connecting solid state drives. So first, we're gonna need to get our CPU. Let's take this out. Don't put it on the table because it might, this is an anti-static plastic bag. So leave it on your bag. There. Just take this out. This is the motherboard. You should ground yourself before you do it by touching the surface of your case. So now, grounded yourself. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the CPU. The CPU is installed by taking out, you're gonna have your CPU and two stickers in here. For us, it's two CPUs hidden here. And then we're gonna have the heatsink fan, the Wraith Spire cooler. The cooler is gonna be in here. So first we're gonna need to take out the CPU. The CPU is taken out like this. Let's take out these stickers over here. So here's our CPU. Touch it by the sides. This is the one that connects into here. So let's open it. Okay, so we're gonna install the CPU. First, what we're gonna need to do, there's gonna be a latch near your CPU where you're gonna add your CPU. You're gonna pull that latch, and then there's gonna be a golden triangle right here, and on here there's gonna be a tiny triangle. The triangle's right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna align that triangle and that triangle on the motherboard and just drop it in. Okay, now we're gonna just push the lever, and now your CPU has been installed. So next, we're gonna need to install the thermal paste. So let's open this box. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the thermal paste. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this cap off. I think this is a cap. There. Now there's gonna be already thermal paste. So you're just gonna, apply a dot in the center. So don't apply too much, like that much. And then leave it there. Apply this cap back on for later use. And now you're gonna need to get your cooler. This is the cooler, the AMD cooler. So unbox it from the box. So this is it. So what you're gonna need to do there's gonna be thermal paste right here, so don't touch that. So what you're gonna need to do is get your screwdriver's right here, and you're gonna need to take off these standoffs. So let's take these off. That's it. Okay, so now you're gonna have to take off these standoffs. So let's screw these off. Take that to the side. We're gonna, no, this stays here. Oh, take it off. No, we need to take this off. Okay, take these off. And now we'll put this down like this. It should just fit like this. Make sure it's inside. And now take the screwdriver and screw these in. These. Now here. Okay, now we're gonna need to plug, this is the fan's cord, and so there's gonna be 4 pins. Usually it's labeled CPU fan 1 header, but mine isn't labeled, so all I'm gonna do is just plug this in. There we go. There, now we're all done with the CPU. This we can fix after. Okay, let's install the RAM. So, this is our RAM. Let's take this out of its case. Let's see if this comes with, this is this. The RAM has to be installed in a specific way. So, on the motherboard, first you install the second one and the fourth one, and then you install the others. So for us, it's color coded, so you install the red ones first and then the black ones. So we're gonna take our RAM. This is our RAM. We're gonna install it first in the second one. So there's gonna be a notch. We're gonna open these. Let's open this. And then we just, so let's open these, and then we just press down, and then you'll hear a click sound. So this one, press down. I heard that clicking sound. This one, it hasn't been pressed down. There. The RAM has been installed. Okay, so next, now we need to install the motherboard into the case itself. So the ports, the USB ports are right here. So we're gonna, okay, so first we're gonna install the I/O shield before the motherboard. So you're gonna wanna go from the inside and push it like this. Like this. There. This is installed. Okay, so we've installed it, so it should look like this. You just push it in. There, now it just sits into place. So now we need to screw in screws for the standoff, onto the standoffs. So let's take these screws. So one by one, we're gonna screw them in. So Let's get the screwdriver. Okay, so this is the PCIe Wi-Fi card, and it also has Bluetooth. So we're gonna unscrew this, and then we'll place it like this, and then just plug it in, and then we plug this in, so it should look like this. And now we have a screw that we'll screw this in. This just having trouble. There, and then now it's in tight, and we're done with that. And now we have this cord that we will plug in, and it looks like we plug it in here. We'll plug this in. There, plug that in. Now let's plug it in here. Let's plug it in here. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the hard drive to the inside of here. Insert it inside of here. But first, you're gonna have to get your SATA cable, which is this cable, and then you're gonna need to get the power cable from the power PSU. So first, you're gonna get this part of it, and you're gonna plug it in to the SATA port. There's probably 4 of them on your motherboard. And now you're gonna you're gonna get this, and you're gonna put it through here. And then you're gonna get your motherboard, and then there's gonna be this. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna try to slide it in somehow, and then there's gonna be pins and a hole, and you're trying to get that inside of the get the pin inside of the hole. So here I have installed it. So first we're gonna connect the SATA cable into this. Connect that, and now we're going to connect the power part into this, and then now we will try to just put it in. This has gotten detached. Okay, let's put that in later. Now just put that in like that. So this case holds 3 hard drives, and I think 1 SSD, as this slot is small. So now we are done with this part of the tutorial. So next we're gonna need to start connecting the power cables. So let's start with the CPU. So it's going to be labeled CPU. Let me find it. So it's this one, and this goes right next to the fan. So it's gonna be inside of here. Let me get the notch and just plug this in. There, plug that in. And next, we're gonna need to plug, let's see, the 24 pin. This is the main one. So let's get the notch. We have plugged that part in, and now this is hanging in the way. So there are a bunch of others. So next, why don't we plug in these? These are the front panel. So these power your USB ports, your reset switch, your power LED, and your both power LEDs, plus and minus, your power switch, and your LED, more LED, and then your USB ports. Okay, so we have finished the PC setup. So check that everything is in place. The fan, your RAM, click it, your Wi-Fi card, power unit, check your cords to your ports are connected. Check your hard drive is installed. Check your fans are installed if you need any. And so thank you for watching. So this is what it should look like in the inside. Is it? So management, you need to do cable management with zip ties. These step in the next video, which is installing Windows. Thanks for watching. See you next time. So, okay.